Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about compressing files by the commands gzip and bzip2. The gzip and the bzip2 are two different ways. Each one of them uses a particular algorithm in the compression process. The gzip compresses quicker, but the bzip2 uses less space for the compressed file. Okay, now first of all, I would like to make a directory to practice the compression on. I'll type mkdir and then type compression. For example, I would name the directory compression and enter. And then I will get to the directory compression by the command cd. And of course here, if you type ls, you won't find anything because it's just a new directory. So I would like to create files with a large size to try on it the compression process, and I will do so by the command sec. This command sec, if you type for example sec and then 10 and then press enter, this will make the terminal count from 1 to 10. If I type sec and then 100 and then enter, this will make the terminal count from 1 to 100. Okay, now I'll clear the page. So to make a large file by this command, I will type sec and then, for example, 1 million, and then make a redirection to a file by the name million.txt. So here by this command I am telling the terminal to count for me from 1 to 1 million and then save the result in the file million.txt, which will result in a file that contains the number from 1 to 1 million, and of course this will make the file with a large size. And I'll press enter. Okay, now I'll make another file, but this time I will make it 2 million instead of 1 million. And for example here I'll name it million2.txt and enter. Then make a third file and name it million3, and for example here I'll make it 3 million. Alright, now if you type ls, as you can see, I have three files, million2.txt, million3.txt, and million.txt. Okay, now I would like to see the size of those files. I'll type ls minus lh and enter. And as you can see, it displayed for me the size of each file in megabytes. You can see that million2.txt has 15 megabytes in size. million3.txt is 22 megabytes, and million only.txt is 6.6 megabytes. Okay, now I would like to compress the file over here, million.txt. So I'll type gzip and then million.txt. Okay, so now the file million.txt before the compression has the size of 6.6 megabytes. I'll press enter. And now I'll type ls minus lh one more time. And as you can see over here, the file has been compressed. And this time its size is about 2.1 megabytes. Okay, this time I'll try to compress two files at the same time. I'll type gzip and then million2.txt and million3.txt and enter. Okay, now I'll type ls minus lh and enter. Okay, now you can see that the three files have been compressed. and you can see that there's a difference in the sizes of the files. The million2.txt was 15 megabytes, now it's 4.1. The million3.txt was 22 megabytes, now it's 6.1. And of course million.txt was 6.6 megabytes, and now it is 2.1 megabytes. I'll clear the page. Okay, so now we have seen how to compress files by the gzip command. Let's see how to extract them. I'll type ls one more time to view the files that I have, and then I'll type gzip and then -d, and first I will start with for example this file over here, million.txt.gz, and I'll press enter. Now I'll type ls one more time. Okay, now you can see it has been extracted one more time. There is another command also that you can extract with it, and it is called the gzip. So now I will type gzip to extract the other file. I'll type gzip and then million2.txt.gz and enter. And if you type ls, you can see that it has been extracted successfully. I'll clear the page. Right now I would like to make another file to try the bzip2 command on. I'll type sec and then 3 million. Okay, and then the redirection sign, and then the file name, for example, million3.txt, and enter. Okay, now the file has been created successfully. If you press ls, you can see that here is the file over here. But I would like to change the name of the file by the command mv. I will change it to million3 new.txt and enter. ls. Okay, so now we have this file, the new file over here, million3 new.txt. Okay, so this file has exactly the same content as this file over here, but this one is compressed, this one is compressed with gzip, and now I will try to compress this one with bzip2 command, and let's see the difference between them in terms of the space or the size after the compression. I'll type I'll type bzip2 and then million3 new.txt and enter. Okay, now I'll type ls -lh, and you can see that those are the two files that have exactly the same content, but one with the bzip2, and it has less size than the other one that is compressed with the gzip. This is 6.1 megabytes, the gzip, and the one with the bzip2 is 3.4 megabytes. Okay, now I'll compress more than one file at the same time by the command bzip2. I'll type bzip2 and then million.txt and million2.txt and enter. And I'll clear the page and then type ls. Okay, so now we have those two new files have been compressed to bzip2. And now the same as the gzip, you can extract with the command in the gzip you can extract with the command gunzip. With the bzip2 you can also extract with the command bunzip. So I'll type bunzip and then million2.txt and enter. Okay, it seems that I have made a mistake over here. Okay, it's a spelling mistake. It's supposed to be bzip, and I forgot the 2, bzip2, and then the name of the file, million2.txt, and enter. Okay, this is another mistake that I have made. After the .txt, I have to put the extension bz2. I'm sorry for this mistake. So you will type bunzip2 and then the full name of the file with the extension, of course. Never forget the extension, and then press enter. And now if you type ls, you can see that the file has been extracted successfully. And by this lesson we have seen how to compress and extract files with the gzip and the bzip2. Thank you for watching.